guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Seize the Speed. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back and I am driving a stick and filming. Not the best idea. Anyhow, this episode is gonna be the first one of this whole series. We're gonna see if a money pit can make money. Money pit, you say? There she is. We're following the guy. Oopsie. Yeah, we're following my recently acquired BMW to the shop. We'll get more into the details later, but we'll see if this car will be the end of me or not. Keep tuning in. Peace out. Tow truck guy, he's a real homie, he's a real OG. He helped us a lot, and also he loved my little Z. He told me about his brother's twin turbo Z. Of course he had to flex on me, but it's all good. It's all good. He's a fellow car guy. We bonded over this thing. I was just revving at him the whole time down here looking like a douchebag ricer. But yeah, shout out to Todd Stowin. Get you right. So here's the deal. The car's dropped off. We're good. Hopefully my guy will take care of it. We had to get a used radiator because the OEM part from BMW is about $650, because this is a super ultra low emission vehicle, and the radiator's made out of magnesium for whatever reason. And yeah, the regular 328i radiator you can get aftermarket one for $50. That's what it has already on it. But the car doesn't like that because it has a sensor that tells it that the car's running the cheap radiator. So yeah. Now we bought the OEM one. Found a decent used one. Hopefully that'll take care of the issue. And tunnel time. I see cop lights up there. 6th year it is. We'll see if I can get out of this flip alive, and I'll be happy to take you guys on this journey with me. Next episode, we'll pick up on what's the deal with the car, how messed up it is, what's the condition, if the radiator fixed it. I have a suspicion the head gasket is kind of going. It doesn't overheat, but there's more than enough smoke coming out the tailpipes. So if that's the case, guess who's going broke? You're gonna catch me driving Camry for the rest of my life. I'm not, but we'll see. Come on, y'all, give me to 1 million so I can afford a better BMW. JK, there's an officer. I'm gonna put the phone down. Look at this dude. He's hopped up on the curb. What is he doing? Right there. Anyhow, guys, if y'all haven't seen the inside of my Z, looks like this. I got a little Nismo shift knob that's glued together with something, I don't know. I got one of those in-dash screen systems. It's kind of crap and the screen doesn't work and the stereo just hisses, and yeah. See, baby. Alrighty guys, so it's a few days later. I got the car back, I think 2 days ago. They changed the radiator, which is a specific part for this vehicle, because this is a super ultra low emission vehicle. I think they were California emission. Out here in Texas, no parts for this. Parts are BMW specific. Same goes for So we got the car back, but we still have another check engine light for, it's a P0444. We have evap issue, I think. Oh yeah, it's the purge valve, which we're gonna tackle and attack, and I think that'll be the last mechanical thing we're doing to it. We might have to change the valve cover gasket to get to it, but that's about it on the engine side of the story. On the exterior, let's go check it out. So as you can see, this bumper, that's on me, I messed that up. I kind of scraped it, but it was already pretty beat up right there. Some nasty cracks and just scrapes everywhere overall. And we're gonna get to the headlights and clean those up. The rest of the car though is all pretty good condition, especially the interior in this thing. It's pretty clean, just needs a little cleaning. So you see typical 3 Series interior, nothing really special. Let's hop in. Alright, so we have, let's start this thing up. Now for the interior, getting comfy in here. We have the dim stereo, which is a common thing in these things. Let's see, gauges, notorious check engine light right there, 94,175 miles. And yeah, pretty standard. I mean, said 3 Series stuff. Nothing to see. Little sunroof. Everything works in this thing. You know, I thought it's gonna have a lot of issues. It really doesn't. It's a good car. I thought, you know, knowing what everyone says, oh my god, it's a BMW, every time you drive it, it's gonna fall apart. It's not too bad. I'll be damned. But when they break though, when they do break, it's gonna be a hell of a lot more expensive than your typical Hyundai over there, which I'm in the middle of restoring those headlights. I'm gonna go over there and show you that in a second. But yeah, so we'll see if we can make some money on this German machine, and we're gonna take you through the journey, see what it takes to get this thing, you know, decent and ready for somebody to enjoy. So as you can see, lock the beamer. It's a pretty cool key. I like the key. We got a disgusting headlight right there. This little crusty thing. Now, fun fact. I already, back in the day, like 3-4 years ago, I restored them, you know, with the basic kit you can buy at Walmart, and they're disgusting again. So now this time I kind of learned that you actually need some professional crap to do this. So hopefully we can get the other one looking as shiny as this one, but I'm almost done with this. I like to put a coat of, you know, ceramic coat on top of them. It just makes it pop and give it that factory shine. But yeah, this one's almost done. Just ceramic coating and it'll shine like brand new. Slow quick break from the BMW. Let's hop back in it. Alright guys, so as always, I want to appreciate all of you guys for, you know, tolerating me and watching these videos. I hope you like it. I hope you you know, stick around for the ride. We'll see if this car is gonna lead me to bankruptcy or make me some money. And thank you very much for watching. Keep tuning in. Next episode coming up regarding fixing that check engine light and probably just cleaning it, you know, basic stuff. I might do a tutorial on how to change the front bumper. If anyone's interested for that, let me know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all later.